Hello guys, welcome back to another introduction to Julia series video, and in this video we'll be talking about what were we supposed to be talking about? Was it conditions in Julia? So in this video we'll be talking about conditions. So condition is basically what you think it means. Do something if something is true, or yeah, that is basically condition. So let's see. Age is equals to, let's say, 10. .jl just created a file called condition.jl. Now condition.jl, age is equals to 10, so that is your age. So when you are less than 16, 18, 21 or something like that, you're not allowed to drink or drive, for instance. So let me use a good example. You're not allowed to drive before you are, let's say, 16 or 18 years, depending on the country you come from, or even 21 or wherever age. Let's say even somebody is allowed 15. Let's use just a number random. So before you are 15, you are not allowed to drive. So let's say if, now you see, if age is less than 15, then end. Now what do you want to do? Everything that you want to do when if age is less than 15, you want to put it inside here. Now you say print you cannot drive, for instance. So you see, now let's condition.js. You see, because age is 10, you cannot drive. Now let's use something like 17 and see what we expect. Nothing happened because you see, the condition was not met. So if we wanted, for instance, something like, if you are now greater than 15 years, then something else to happen. Now if you are greater than 15, greater or equal to 15, then you see, you can, no, you can. So basically that is conditions, if condition. But now you see, writing the code this way is not really nice. So that's why we have something like called if else statement. So in Julia, if age is less than 15, then do something. If, for instance, and then else if else if age is less than, let's say, what, else if age is equal to 15 first. You still remember the inequalities? I hope these were inequalities when in operators, equality operators. I hope you still remember. Now you see, we're using what we learned earlier. Now print you can drive. You now let's say, well, if it's 15, you should be in, let's say, driving school or something like that. Now and then if it's greater, if, now else, you see, else print you can drive. Now you see, no, why did I have to do this now? Sorry guys, they never follow me. Okay, you can follow me back. I want to be making excitement. Now you see, you can drive if you are greater than 15. Again, you can remove this one specifically, because if you think even somebody who is 15 obviously can drive, then you see L if is nothing important. But that I was trying to show you that you can nest as many conditions as possible. You see, now even if somebody is 15 years, you see, then it means you can drive. You can drive. But what if we introduce the previous one, that one, and make age 15? You see guys, Now you should be in driving school. That means that if somebody is 15 years, he should be in driving school. That is the meaning of this else if statement. Now if all these other conditions are false, then this one is run. Now what this does is, if age is less than 15, then this condition is run. And then the next one, it checks if this one becomes false, then it goes to the next condition. If age is equals to 15, it checks this condition. If this one again is false, then it goes on to check the next condition, where it then finds else, which means that even though all the other condition might be wrong, false, this still has to get executed no matter what. So this is how to do it. So guys, this is conditions in Julia. Always remember that you have to end each block with an end statement. Every block you have to end with an end statement. So guys, this is it about this. In the next video I will show you how to use if and to nest loops and conditions to make something more interesting. So in the next video we will try to combine most things and also introduce something like blocks. So we'll be building in this driving school test, for instance, where we can let user give values and then to check their age, something like that. So guys, the next video will be really exciting. It will use most of the things we've learned over the series from the start till here. So please, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.